Okay, so our project for this afternoon before it gets dark so I can have a friggin' hot shower is I've got to fix a busted water pipe. Fun. So first thing is we're going to cut all this fucking... This one here is fucked. So what we're going to do is I'm going to cut this off here and cut it off probably over here and stick a pipe in between. And hopefully the pipe I've got will fit and hopefully everything will go right. Otherwise, I'm going to bed smelly. To do this job, you will need a compression fitting. Here in Australia, there's only really two basic types of size pipe, 15mm and 20mm, and you'll need a couple of spanners, obviously, and depending on how much pipe you need to replace, you might need some copper pipe at the correct size. So make sure you measure what size your pipe is, or cut a bit off and take it to the hardware store and say, hey, I need something to repair a pipe this size, and grab yourself a compression fitting, cheap as fuck, and away you go. Yummy. All worked well, didn't it? You're probably wondering why I'm cutting off this water filter, and that's because the fucking thing was on here when I bought the house over 10 years ago. I think fucking more actually, about 15 years ago now, I think. And I've never been able to get the bastard off. I've never been able to change it. It's fucking... it's rooted. So now that I've just cut that off, I'm going to grab an angle grinder and we're going to make it a little nicer. So just going to take some of these rough edges and shit off. I'm going to take some of the fucking corrosion off so the compression fitting will fit on properly. It would be nice if I turned on the fucking tap outside, let the water out of the tub, which I think I might do. Yummy. Now, I do have several pipe cutters, but if you know where they are, tell me where. No fucking clue. Right, this is the pipe I'm going to use. Let's chuck some of this crap on first. That goes on first. That bit goes on second. That goes into there. The bastard goes onto there like that. Now, we can then measure this and cut it. The fucking water coming out of this thing. Got a hit with a wire wheel, gave it a tickle. Just clean up all the shit on it. There we go here. All the way onto there. Push that so it seats into there. Screw that up a bit. Grab the other side. Hopefully I didn't put too much of a fucking gap in it. I think I did actually. I'm supposed to be only about probably 5mm. But it should be still okay, I think. It's not as if all this shit's bloody tied down real well. Right, let's see if I can get a spanner on. Watch and see if it pisses out water everywhere when I turn the bloody mains back on. Let's give it a go. Fixed. Beautiful. All done. So it's that simple. So if you have a leak, don't bother calling a plumber, do it yourself, because that there probably saved me about fucking $500 calling out a plumber. And it's a weekend. So probably close to $1,000. 5 minutes worth of work and I don't know, $7, $14, and well, I had all this laying around anyway because I always fucking do. But and you know, maybe $5 worth of pipe. So there you go, $20, 15 minutes, and done. Well, as per usual, all have a good day, stay safe, and we'll see you around like a rissole, trendsetters.